In this video, we're going to look at question 7 of exercise 6.7 of your higher textbook. So we're working in radians. We still shouldn't be using a calculator for this exercise. So we are solving these equations. The difference with this question is that we need to get sine of x on its own. So we need to get rid of that plus root 3 by taking away root 3 from both sides. And you're left with 2 sine x equals negative root 3. And then get rid of your 2 by dividing by 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And you're left with sine x equals minus root 3 over 2. Recognizing that this is one of our exact values, I'm looking for my acute angle one, so just the inverse sine of root 3 over 2. What angle do we need for root 3 over 2? So for sine, that is pi over 3. So to find all of our solutions, we are going to draw out our graph between 0 and 2 pi. Sine graph starts at 0, comes up. We're looking at minus root 3 over 2. So our solutions are going to be over here and here. Remember, this is pi and this is 2 pi. So our acute angle, so the distance in here is going to be pi over 3, and the distance in here is going to be pi over 3. So our solutions for x are going to be pi plus pi over 3, and 2 pi minus pi over 3. Again, think about this without the pi. So 1 plus a third, that gives you 1 1/3 or 4/3. So 4 pi over 3, 4/3. 2, take away a third, leaves you with 1 2/3, or that leaves you with, 5 pi over 3. And those are your two solutions there. For B, same idea, we've got 2 cos x plus 1 equals 2. And we've got to get cos x on its own, so subtract 1. You're left with 2 cos x equals 2. No, it doesn't. It equals 1. And divide by your 2. And you have cos of x equals 1/2. Okay. Your related acute angle. So the angle for cos of x equals 1/2, that's going to be pi over 3. So let's find our solutions by drawing the graph again. So we draw our cos graph, starts at 1, comes down, goes up. There's your pi, there's your 2 pi, and this time we're looking at our solutions for 1/2. So 1/2 is going to be this answer here, and this answer over here. So the distance from 0, there's your acute angle, pi over 3, and going from your 2 pi, again, that's pi over 3. So our solutions, pi over 3 and 2 pi, take away pi over 3. And simplifying that down, you have pi over 3 is one of your answers, and then remember, you've got 2, take away a third, leaves you with 1 2/3. It's a top-heavy fraction. It's 5 over 3, so it's going to be 5 pi over 3. And you're done.